Hello, good morning. This is the Abundance Oracle. I wanted to share with you before we get too far down the road so you can see that nor'easter that I was telling you about, that you see all the videos. That was so crazy. We still have a little bit of the snow left here, but Joe is here this morning, 7:30, to start cleaning up. I don't know if you can see. This is big, huge part of my holly tree here that, so sad that it broke off. So half the side of the holly tree is gone. We're just trying to see if we can start collecting, and I wanted to show you. I've started to collect and then I ran in and got my camera so you can see how much of a mess that storm was a couple weeks ago. Ruined the tops of my plastic and everything. There's a lot of broken pieces down. Honestly, this is after I've sort of cleaned up a little bit, but I just wanted to show you down here so you can see how big it is, all this big mess. A big chunk of tree came down, even opened. Is it locking, Joe, or no?
Yeah, it's like off, and I don't know, was there a latch or something on top?
No. It just sort of snaps closed on the right-hand side, maybe. If it's not bent, maybe it got bent by that tree. I'm not quite sure. And you can see all this stuff here. Let me just show you. This is another piece that's downed. This is all just down from the trees, and you can see all the stuff here. Oh, Joe got his coffee on the way. And this is what it looks like in my yard right now. And the ice is starting to melt, but you can see the chunks and chunks of wood. And wait till you see how bad it is up here. Let me look so I can make sure I'm getting it in the background. Can you see? Down the path here. Big, huge part of the tree is over on top and over to the other side. I'm going to show you the other side. And this over here, you can see all the pieces of tree pieces. This got pulled down a little bit, so I'm gonna have to tie these together, pull them up. And can you see? I'm sure you can. I just can't see because of my eyes. Yep. See on top of my roof? See? More tree fell down. More tree. All the way down here near my bird feeder, in here, and all over here. It's crazy. Lots of stuff. It was a big nor'easter, and I have large old trees. Beautiful, wonderful trees. You can see I have some big pieces here. Okay, let me show you my other big chunk of tree that fell off up here onto my barbecue grill here, into my rhododendron shrub, ripping and breaking the arm of my barbecue grill. Still stuff out here. And this big, huge piece, I'm going to see if I can aim it correctly. If you can see up here, this piece is all hanging. And it's got to be removed. So we've got a lot of cleanup to do today. And it'll take more than one day for us to be able to do that. But I thought you could appreciate a little bit more when you saw my crazy videos of how bad it was, but not the aftermath of it. I mean, just look. Look. Sorry, I'm getting in your picture. My volleyball court, trees down. Over here, trees down. Tree branches, big chunk of tree over there. Can I get you to see that? You might not be able to see it. Can you see it right there? Big, huge chunk of tree. The golf course had guys out the first day cleaning up, chopping down half fallen trees and everything else. So anyway, that's the Abundance Oracle. There's a good 2 days for Joe to pick up the little stuff. Then we have Brian and his tree crew, ex-military, so they really know how to get a job done. They have a chipper and a monkey, and the monkey is called that because his name is Max. He can climb like a monkey up the tree and chop with a saw. He's really good at what he does. And hopefully today or tomorrow, all my sunroom stuff will be out and ready for my trip to go down to Tennessee. My daughters, oh my gosh, I could have looked in the mirror before I'm talking to you, I'm sorry. For my daughter's engagement party. It would do me good to sort of learn who's coming, because it's on the in-law side. I know the governor's coming and the senator and people are coming, so I need to figure out who's who. And luckily my dress fits, and it might be chilly, so I might need to buy a sweater and maybe a little bit of jewelry. All right, love you tons. Thanks for sharing a little bit of my early morning with me. Now I'm off to get my dandelion tea. It's very good for reducing inflammation. There's no extra added chemicals or anything into it. It's hand-picked, the dandelions that I have growing, and then I dried them out. So this is the last little batch of dandelion tea I have before summertime. I'm so sorry, but this is real life. This is real life. It's not like when we're in Florida. This is the Cape Cod life. All right, love you tons. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is the Abundance Oracle. I'm trying to increase my subscriber base. So if you're not subscribed, I'd really appreciate you subscribing. Thanks. Love you all. Bye.